That dreaded time, AC belt. Now, not all vehicles have a separate AC belt. Some work off one whole serpentine belt. This old Chevy here, the AC belt, AC quit working, first off. And I just thought, well, I need a charge, whatever. Well, no. I crawled under there, and the belt was completely shredded. Now, the reason why it was completely shredded is if you do a serpentine belt, they're fairly simple as long as you know how they go back in, because they use a tensioner, that allows you to stick a wrench in it or whatever, whether it's a 3/8, just kind of like this, right? And then you just push and it pulls the tensioner back, and you can pull the belt off. Well, what a lot of people don't realize is these things freeze up. So if you're going to buy a belt, it might be smart to also grab it with the tension pulley, because that's what's wrong with this unit, and it doesn't cost much more. You might as well get it in a kit. Typically, they're pretty simple to change because it's just 2 bolts usually. So this vehicle, 6.0 in it, has a tensioner for the main serpentine belt, and then it has a tensioner for the AC belt. So this is a great little kit, and it's just a little food for thought if you do your own work on your vehicles, to go ahead and change this while you're in the midst of changing the belt. There's the old one. It's all wore out. You don't see it coming. They just freeze up, and you're driving along, and you wonder what happened to your belt. Well, that's because the friction got on there and melts it, and belt snaps. So replace.